Hello, everyone. Welcome to Coca English. How are you today? I hope you're happy and ready to learn a new English word.
Hi, friends. I'm Sam, and this is my co-host, Layla. We're so glad you're here with us today. Coca English is your favorite channel for learning English words. One word, one fun episode.
That's right, Sam. Every time we meet, we pick one useful English word. We talk about what it means, how to use it, and we make it super easy for you to understand. No hard stuff, just simple and happy learning.
Exactly. Learning English doesn't have to be stressful. We want you to smile while you learn. So today, we have a great word to share. It's a word you hear often in daily life. Do you want to guess what it is?
Let's give you a small hint. It's something that is true, not a dream or a story. It's what really happens in life. Can you think of it?
Wait, maybe you use this word when you say, in reality, or the reality is? Oh, let's just tell you. Today's word is reality. R-E-A-L-I-T-Y. Reality.
Yes, reality. Pronounced reality slowly, then again at normal speed. Let's say it together. Reality. One more time. Reality. Good job.
First, let's talk about what reality means. Layla, can you explain it in simple words?
Sure. Reality is the thing or things that are true. It's what is not fake, not a dream, not an idea. For example, if you think you can fly like a bird, that's not reality, because in real life, people can't fly. Flying like a bird is a dream, not reality.
Perfect explanation. Let's make it clearer. Let's take another example. Suppose you want to eat 10 ice creams in one day. You think it's a great idea, but the reality is your stomach will hurt. So reality is what really happens, not what you wish for.
Right. Another way to say it is reality is the world as it is, not as we imagine it. Let's use simple sentences to show the meaning. Sam, can you make a simple sentence with reality?
Of course. The reality is, I can't watch TV all day. I have to study. See, that's easy. Reality here means the true fact. I need to study, so I can't watch TV all day.
Nice! Let's try another one. My dream is to live on a boat, but the reality is I get seasick. That's my sentence. I love boats, but I feel sick on them, so that's the reality.
That's funny, Layla. Okay, let's talk about how to use reality in daily life. It's a noun, so we can use it in many simple structures, like the reality is, or in reality, or face reality.
Let's break down these structures. First, the reality is. This is very common. For example, the reality is English is easy if you practice every day. Or, the reality is my cat doesn't like milk. Simple, right?
Yes. Next, in reality. This means actually, or really. For example, he looks very quiet, but in reality, he's very funny. Or, this game seems easy, but in reality, it's hard.
Great! And face reality means to accept the true situation. Like, I need to face reality. I can't buy that phone because I don't have enough money. Or, she has to face reality. She can't finish the work in 1 hour.
Let's practice more sentences together. I'll go first. The reality is, I love pizza, but I can't eat it every day.
My turn. In reality, learning a new word is fun if you use it often.
Nice! Let's make a sentence with face reality. My friend wants to be a famous singer, but he needs to face reality. He can't sing well.
No offense to your friend, Sam.
It's just an example. Okay, let's think of some more everyday situations. Imagine you plan to go to the park, but it rains. What can you say?
I wanted to go to the park, but the reality is it's raining.
Perfect. Or, if you think you can finish your homework in 10 minutes, but it takes 30 minutes, you can say, I thought homework would be quick, but in reality, it took longer.
See? Reality is such a useful word. You can use it when talking about your plans, your dreams, or things around you. It helps you talk about what is true.
Let's check if you understand. Let's play a small game. I'll say a sentence, and you, the listeners, can think if it uses reality correctly. Ready?
First sentence. The reality is, my dog likes to play fetch. Is that correct? Yes, because it's a true fact about the dog.
Second sentence. In reality, I drink coffee every morning. Correct again. It means, actually, I drink coffee every morning.
Third sentence. I need to face reality. I can't sleep all weekend. That's right. It means accepting that you can't sleep all weekend.
You're doing amazing. Now, let's make sure you can say reality correctly. Let's pronounce it again. R-E-A-L-I-T-Y. Reality. Say it slowly. Re-a-li-t. Now say it fast. Reality. Great.
Remember, reality is a noun, so we don't change its form for most sentences. We just use it as reality, singular, or realities, plural, but we don't need that today. Singular is more common for A2 learners.
Let's recap. Reality means what is true, not a dream or an idea. We can use it in sentences like, the reality is, in reality, or face reality.
Let's end with some fun sentences. Sam, what's a funny reality in your life?
Oh, the reality is, I can't cook. I try to make eggs, but they always burn.
The reality is, I love to dance, but I'm not good at it. When I dance, my cat runs away.
That's hilarious. Okay, friends, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. After this episode, please leave a comment below.
Yes, in your comment, make a sentence with the word reality. It can be about your life, your dreams, or anything you like. For example, the reality is, I watch Coca English every week.
That's a great sentence. Or, in reality, I practice English with my friend. Be creative, but keep it simple, just like we did today.
We read every comment, and we'll be happy to see your sentences. Learning English is better when we share, right?
Absolutely. So don't be shy. Write your sentence with reality, and let us know how you use this word.
Thank you so much for watching Coca English today. We hope you had fun learning reality. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use this word every day and it will be easy for you.
Yes, come back next time for another new word. We miss you already.
Bye everyone. Keep learning and keep smiling.
Bye-bye.